Busca tu nombre en IG Music y pone la primera canción. And that means, guys, search your name on IG Music and put the first song. So I'll show you how to do this Instagram change story too. First of all, I will go out of this page. And from here, from your Instagram page, you just have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the page. And then here you can search for my Instagram account, which is Ali and John YTT. Okay, so now from here you have to click on story trends, which is at the highlights. And if you go to story, then that will expire in a few hours. So it's better for you to go to story trends. So once you are here, you just have to click until you find the desired sticker. So it's right here. And from here, you just have to click on the Add Yours button. And from here, you have to go to Uploads and choose a random photo that you like. So I will go with this photo right here. And to search for that music, you just have to click on the sticker and then go to Music and search for your name. So this is my Instagram name from another account, my main account. And this is the first song that popped up. So you have to click on the first song that pops up. And from here you can change the style just like this, but this one is better. And from here you just have to click on Done. And you can place your song where you want and also the sticker. So yeah, after that you just have to click on send to and then click on share to your story and hit on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and subscribe to our channel. And also if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.